Welcome to GRTV. Now we are inserting this creeper onto the dorsal or ventral surface of this aloe vera leaf. So we can do practicals because any plant will grow onto the dorsal or ventral surface of this aloe vera plant. So definitely it will grow in a healthy mode, and it will creep, and it will share all the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and metals and essential elements, and it will grow in a healthy mode. We have inserted this creeper onto the dorsal surface of this aloe vera plant, and we will see what is the reaction between this creeper and this aloe vera plant, and we have to observe for week to 10 days so that there will be drastic change in the creeper and simultaneously in the aloe vera leaf also. So definitely the aloe vera plant will share all the vitamins, minerals, nutrients and essential elements and water and supplements. All it will share all the nutrients to the inserted plant, and inserted plant will grow in vigorous mode. So this is the beauty of plant upon the plant plantation. Plantation of different species on healthy plant of this aloe vera plant. So we can definitely we have to see, and we have to observe for week to 10 days, so that if there is any dehydration of this creeper, there will be negative sign. We can't predict, because this winter is dry climatic condition. So all the leaves will dry up and fallen very occasionally in this winter season. So in rainy season there will be root formation and branches proliferation, and baby leaves growth will be very vigorous and aggressive. But in this winter season, due to unfavorable climatic cold climatic conditions will inhibit the growth of roots, branches and stems and the leaves also. The cold climate will deplete the growth of a plant. The plant will retard in this winter condition. In rainy season and summer season, the plant will grow, because it will do more of photosynthesis. Means because the sunlight will be so hot in summer, so that more of photosynthesis, the plant will grow aggressively and proliferate 360 degrees, so many branches, sub branches and roots and sub roots and tertiary and ancillary roots, and it will absorb more of water and preserve in the leaves and stems and branches and in roots also. So this winter season, the practicals will be 50 chances. There will be 50% of success rate and 50% of failures also will be there. So we have to be very patient, and again and again we have to do practicals on this aloe vera plant, dorsum of piercing or penetrating or keeping different species of plant onto the dorsal surface of this aloe vera plant will be more successful, and because if you insert this bryophyllum onto the dorsal or ventral surface of aloe vera, at the time of giving vertical incision, the two ends of this longitudinal splitting of this aloe vera will become divert, and after inserting this bryophyllum into the split of this aloe vera leaf, it will contract, and there will be a snug fit between the bryophyllum and onto the dorsal surface of this aloe vera. So more chances of success, because there will be homogeneous and viscid gelatinous liquid in the stem of aloe vera, and this dragon plant, and this ranapala, and this vomitala plant. So there will be more chances of this success rates of this practicals. So this creeper will definitely, because at the penetrated area we have to see, because there will be precision. The radius of stem should be accurate with the probe onto the dorsal surface or ventral surface of this aloe vera, and we have to pierce, we have to penetrate into the aloe vera leaf. So there will be a snug fit there, because the viscid solution will bond the stem of this creeper, and there will be vicious bond between the aloe vera liquid solution or fluid with the creeper. So there will be healthy growth of this creeper onto the dorsal or ventral surface of this aloe vera plant. So we have to do practicals repeatedly, so that there will be one day or other day there will be success. One plant will grow upon the plant, so that we can utilize the space vertically, because the sky is the limit. And we can grow up to the peaks of sky. So this aloe vera practically proved for plants doing practicals on herbal plants. So we are doing in a scientific way. So there will be definitely we will get more of positive results by this introducing penetrating or piercing another species onto the dorsal surface of this aloe vera plant. So this creeper definitely will grow very healthy, and we will see, because there won't be, as far my knowledge is concerned, there won't be any death of this leaf, or necrosis or dryness of leaf, or this creeper also, because there is humidity in the leaf of aloe vera plant, and water content, essential elements, and gelatinous substance, and minerals, metals, and nutrients, and essential elements will be plenty in this aloe vera bulging leaf. So we will wait for grand success of this growing creepers, or medicinal plants, or this ornamental flowers onto the dorsum surface of this aloe vera plant. and we wait for the success, and we can celebrate in a big way. So this creeper now, we can keep this cutting of a creeper onto the this tri-growing stem of dragon plant. So we will do, because this is some bird has dropped some excretion or some seed in bird feces or bird droppings. The plant is growing, because daily water pouring, the plant is growing in a healthy mode. And we will do this, we will insert this creeper onto the this wormtal plant and this tri-growing stem of dragon plant. So we have to do experiments. Time is very precious, and space is also so precious. So the students of agriculture department, AG BSc and AG MSc, and even science students, even students in intermediate students should do practicals on plants, because there is no death for selective plants, because these are all, if you cut it into fragment, the fragment will grow very confidently, like a bushy thing. So you select the vegetative propagated the plants are propagated by vegetative propagation. So this dragon plant and this aloe vera plant, ranapala, and vomitala plant, and other vegetatively propagated plants, even a money plant and this lucky plant also we can propagate vegetatively. So now we can insert this money plant onto the aloe vera plant. Definitely there will be, I am expecting 100% success.